Morning, welcome back to All Things Morris. Today we're going to collect and save a 1955 two-door split screen. Belongs to a friend who's only had it a few months and he's took some bits off it for one of his others. We're going to save it, put it back to how it was, and it will be for sale soon. So come with us on this journey. We're going to find Lord Jackson and get the trailer, get sorted. This one could do with a polish. Never mind that. We're going to get sorted and we'll be on our way. Stay with us. Right, we've got to the yard where the car is and I can see it there. Don't look bad from this position, but it's, as I say, it looks better from a distance than it actually is. But it's there. There's got no peepers in it. Bumper blade needs sorting. Oh, there's some spares with it. Right, we'll go and find the guy. I believe this is where he works. And inside this building, he's just restored one. It's nearly done. So we'll show you around this and introduce you to the guy. So we're in here. Nothing there. There we go. Lord Jackson's talking to him. This is the one he's just doing. On an E-Reg. Trafalgar Blue. Two-door. It's turned out nice. That's a bit of a job there. Austin Maestro Van den Pla. But we'll come back to this one. All just been painted in Trafalgar Blue. If anybody has got any mint backlights without all this craziness on it, contact me. Leave me a message in the comments. This guy will buy them off you. That does look nice.
That's great. As soon as I finish it, I've got one more wheel to do. Just finished it, just don't grow. I've got to lacquer that wheel next. Yeah,
Looking really nice, that. And he has just painted that. So we'll get the split screen out, get it loaded. We'll see you in a bit.
My right look where I built. There's my right where I built. Look at wood. Yeah.
And look at this one. We found another.
That's a 61 original.
1961. Is that a 950 engine in that?
It's a, yes. 8.
It's not an 803.
No, 8 one after.
Yeah. One before the 1098.
Yeah.
I do remember following this one a few times.
Is it a clone this? Because I've got say number plates on my wall in garage.
It's well, don't write in your wall, on your wall, you're okay.
Yeah. This one's painting next.
Right. All I'm going to do is paint what needs painting.
Leave it original.
Do we not think these backlights are better than them?
Yeah, but I'm not touching them.
Are you not
They belong to this car.
Right, okay.
These are a lot better than them. They're nearly mint, aren't they?
That's what I was just looking at.
They belong to this. I'm not touching this. I've got send all interior to my friend.
There you go.
Throw them all back up.
Trafficators on there.
Tighten it all up.
My grey one's got the same interior as that in red.
Yeah.
And mine's split exactly the same.
Yeah, stitching rods. But she's going to take it on, she's got a leather machine, she's going to take all the covers off, tighten them all back up, put an inner cover on, so it's stronger. Should open.
Another one found.
Yeah, look.
All that colour.
That's not standard carpet.
Underneath.
Oh, the normal water problem.
Ordered new pipes, waiting for them coming.
Yeah, we've got a few like that.
It's patina, that, Russ.
Patina. Nice patina. There's no engine number on that block.
No. It is original ending, the small 950 or whatever it is.
I can't see down there. It'd normally tell you down there. But it's probably 1275 now in Troy. Tell us it's at 950. But that's another one found at this establishment. We'll keep looking. Starts first end of the key. What's a few little jobs doing on it, but yeah, you pull it out, yeah. Just another one for us to save. It's got an horn.
What are you doing now?
Playing.
Loaded up. I've got things to do. Can't we add the new condition? What? Oh, sorry. Alternative. Yeah, try to drive it up. We'll film it.
Sounds right enough, doesn't it? Right, we're going to get it loaded. So on, just want strapping down.
You'll do.
Lord Jackson's laughing.
Here, I can't get out.
Right, that's the first part of the job. The 55 split screen is on the trailer. I'm going to drop that back off at my place and pick the other one up and then take it down to Lord Jackson's workshop. So at least the weather's kept right for us. There you go. That's the 55 leaving us. Ready for the next journey.
that, Lord Jackson.
Well,
One key fits all.
one key fits all. It's old Juan Key, is it?
You had to jump back though, we'd have it running.
Well, you want some air in tyre first.
We don't. Get it up low, I'll get some air in try when we get it back off at low later. When I do it.
Come on, push. Nope. Bit of weight reduction.
Bit of weight reduction, yeah.
Some weight reduction. Is it in gear?
Definitely neutral.
It's only flat at the bottom.
That's definitely neutral, this.
Ah.
That one pushes easy. Leave it there, Lord Jackson.
That's it.
Next.
Come on, take it a bit further back. You want to get it straight, don't you, for a run up. Try and get that on there with no engine. Do you want me to film while you shove it, or do you want me to help you? Gather your wind.
More than wind to get that up there with some sticky brakes.
They're not stuck, are they?
No, they're not stuck. I don't even know if there's a full set in it.
Hang on then. Right, you ready?
Certainly ready, Lord Jackson. That's just going to fall over when we trailer it car.
It's not.
We'll try it. We've done better things on a Sunday morning. Ready? Yep. How about that, eh?
It's in gear.
Yep.
Handbrake's on.
No, I don't know if it's got an handbrake, but it's not on. Well, we're on. Type F is off to its new home. To its restoration place.
To Lord Jackson's estate.
Going to Lord Jackson's estate. It's in line with the others. There's two more there waiting.
There's another. There's
What
another.
sort of warranties on this?
Top of the street, or the first 100 yards.
Right. I don't think these wheels will sit tight.
But it's a,
Flexi on it though.
that's it.
Bonus.
Spares, we've got bonus. Yeah, bonus.
New flexi on that one.
And that's where your money is.
What?
Good back wing.
Alright.
100 quid a piece then. This one's a bit rusty. This is only 20 quid. But that's a good one. Right, I'm going to get the straps on with Lord Jackson. I'll be back with you shortly. Right, we've got the 55 back on the bungalow drive and Type F on the back of the trailer. We're just setting off now to Lord Jackson's estate. So we'll see when we get there and we're unloading. At Lord Jackson's. We need to get this off the trailer. It's been a good old trailer, this. Get this one off the trailer and then decide where it's going. The trailer lives in there normally, up to the scaffolding, but I think we're going to put it in the building and put it on what he calls the dirty ramp, so I can get the engine out. So stay with us and see what happens. Right, after careful consideration and having a look where it can go inside, we've not got room. So it's going, and it's going to stay on the trailer till we can move it. So we'll get it in here, and that's the end of it for today. So thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, give it a good smash. Please consider subscribing. I'm just watching him in here. Yeah, please consider subscribing. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.